lot of you requesting a DIY in removing the center console on the Acura ILX. Well, here it is. You have two screws over here where the armrest is. So undo those two screws, and then the center section here where the shifter is and the cup holders literally pops right out. So if you get like a plastic trim tool, you can, I say this is the best angle to access it from the passenger side. Stick it in there, everything clips out. You remove the shift knob to completely remove that, to take it off, and then from there you have two screws right here. These are in by the cubby over there. They're right by the cubby, so you undo these, come off, and then you just have clips from that point on. You have one on the driver's side and two on the passenger side. These just pry out, and then once you have everything out from this point, there is this one big giant connector. You have to undo this in order to pull it completely off, and it's a white one, you can't miss it, it's pretty big. So from that point, like I said, you just pull it right out, and there you have it, center console removal.